how to fix Valorant Audio Not Working. First, if you're having any kinds of audio problem inside your Valorant, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your settings, and inside your settings you want to simply go to your audio section over here, and you want to simply make sure that the volumes are set to the level that you can actually hear. After that, what you want to do is you can simply go to your device's desktop over here as well, and you want to simply check your audio from here as well. You can simply tap on your volumes, and here you want to simply set your volume to a level that you can actually hear from here again. After that, you can simply tap on this settings option over here as well, and you'd be able to find your audio settings over here. You can simply tap on this right option, and you want to simply select it to the level of volume that you can actually hear from here. What you can also do is you can simply switch your device's audio settings over here as well if you have your microphone or your headphone connected. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.